If you want to unlink your HBO Max account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. This process will help you manage your streaming preferences without the connection to your social media. Step 1. Open HBO Max app or website. Launch the HBO Max app on your device or visit the HBO Max website on your browser. Make sure you are logged into your HBO Max account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen, then selecting Settings or Account. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Linked Accounts or Connections. This is where you can manage any social media accounts connected to your HBO Max account. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the option for Facebook within the Linked Accounts section. Click on the Unlink or Disconnect button next to Facebook. Confirm the action if prompted to ensure the accounts are successfully unlinked. Step 5. Verify unlinking. After unlinking, it is a good idea to log out of your HBO Max account and log back in. Check the account settings again to confirm that Facebook is no longer listed as a linked account. By following these steps, you can easily unlink your HBO Max account from Facebook. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to HBO Max customer support for further assistance.